We came here once before, and I walked a little ways down this trail. I just love this place. It is so gorgeous up here. It's just absolutely fantastic. Right there's the big boulder. This is one of the coolest hikes I've ever been on. I wish my son Sam could be here. He would have loved this so much. Beautiful, gorgeous day, sunny in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, supposed to have 4 inches of snow here. I think that would be interesting. In fact, it would be fun to see all of these rocks and 4 inches of snow capping off the tops and stuff. Think of the contrast that would put on all the pictures. Alright, we're finally on our way to Tucson, but it's a nasty, nasty day. Fortunately, the winds are coming about 15 miles an hour out of the west, so we're going straight into it. And it's not raining that hard. So we're getting out of here before snow. It's supposed to get 4 inches of snow here tonight. We'll be glad to be out of that. We got 84 miles, about an hour and 17 minutes till we get to Desert Trail RV Park, where we'll be for 3.5 months.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, we made it to Tucson. You saw us drive through that snowstorm. It's nice today. It is probably in the high 50s, but with the full sun, it feels good. So, I'll give you a tour around this place sometime. So we're going to Home Depot first. We have to get some Plex parts because the faucet is leaking under the sink. And I absolutely despise plumbing. But I despise paying someone $200 to fix it more. So I'm going to try and reach back in there and do it myself. So we're going to Home Depot. So this is the part on both of these that I detect is leaking. So I'm going to cut this off and put on a new connector onto here that's metal. But the one I got is male and I need a female. So I get to make a trip back to Home Depot. Fun, fun, fun. So frustrating. I'm going back to Home Depot. If you knew me very good, you'd know that I don't like going out to stores all the time. But I gotta get this plumbing done now that I've started it. Bummer. This nice guy in Home Depot helped me out. And these are called shark bite. They just clip right on to the pipe. I'll go home and put them on. Fun, fun. So you guys are probably as tired of hearing about my plumbing leaks as I am. I think I finally got these two leaks underneath the sink. I evidently didn't have the pipe pushed up into the connector as tight as it could be, because when I turned the water on, hot water was spraying everywhere. That happened twice. And so then I forced it further, harder and harder, but it's so hard. It's clear back underneath there. So I think I got it. All right, gang. See, I changed out the plastic for those two brass parts. But what's weird is you cut the pipe and then you slide the pipe up into that and it locks into place. And I evidently didn't have the back one locked in good enough and water was spraying everywhere. So I pressed it up. It was hard to press up. They're so far back. I don't know if you can get any perspective, but here's the front. And to reach my arm clear back in there, both arms, to do it was very difficult. But there's no water in the pan, so we're good so far. Have a nice little campsite with some plants. All right, I got my vinegar so that I can flush out my hot water heater. And we got a nice round cactus. And got my alligator. Did we ever give the alligator a name? Boudreaux. And then the cool thing about our spot is that we're close to the laundromat. It's the laundry room, and the sign that bothers us the most is this sign. Please keep the door closed to keep the snakes out. Yikes. So we have dryers, washers. And sometimes this thing works and you can use credit. We got a pretty nice RV spot. If you come over here, right beside us is a shop. Come look inside. So I can come over here if I need to saw something, or there's a jigsaw or a vise. Send us some extra tools if I'm missing a tool. And then if you come over here, we have pool tables. And got a ping pong table. So we got a gym. And here's the gym. Derek could come visit us and lift weights. And then right over here is the library. They got CDs and movies. Lots of books. This is the wood shop. So people do wood carving here. Oh, here's some carving that's been done. Looks really good. And this is the rec hall. Yes, there were a whole bunch of presents under there, so they took the presents somewhere already. And they have free coffee in the morning. This is the trail that takes you over to the office. So this is the office and all the mailboxes. Nothing under 9. Here's all the packages. And food trucks. Hi. How late are you here? Till 6? That's pretty cool. They got a water dispenser. We're going to have to hunt all over the countryside for that. Now that is an old cactus because it has 10 arms. So what does it say? It takes 20 years to get an arm. So you think it's 75 years old? And look at all the little holes for the birds. I don't see any birds in the holes.